In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redeem Monopoly Go codes effortlessly. If you've been looking forward to unlocking some exclusive rewards in the game, you're in the right place. Let's walk through the process together to ensure you redeem those codes without a hitch. To get started, you'll need to visit the official Monopoly Go website. Open your preferred web browser and enter the URL to reach the site. Once you're there, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page. You'll notice an option inviting you to log in. Go ahead and click on the login link. For this process, the login is linked to your Facebook account, so make sure you have your Facebook credentials handy. When you click on the login button, it'll prompt you to sign in through Facebook. Enter your username and password to gain access. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on your account dashboard. Now, all set within your account, look towards the top right corner once more. You'll see an icon that looks like 3 horizontal lines, commonly known as the hamburger icon. This icon typically serves as a menu option, giving you access to more features within the site. Click on this icon and you'll see an expanded menu drop down with several options. From the menu that appears, select the reward code option. It's here where the action really happens. Once you click on reward code, you'll find a designated space to enter your Monopoly Go code. Carefully type in the code you have. Remember, accuracy is key here. A small typo could prevent the code from being recognized, so it's always a good idea to double check your entry. With your code typed in correctly, look for the Go button nearby. Tap on it to submit your code. If everything is entered perfectly, you should swiftly see a notification or confirmation acknowledging that your code has been successfully redeemed. This message indicates that the special rewards tied to your code are now available for you to enjoy in the game. And there you have it. Redeeming Monopoly Go codes is just that simple. By following these steps carefully, you can effortlessly unlock exciting bonuses and enhance your gaming experience. If you found this guide helpful and want more tips and walkthroughs for the best gaming experiences, consider liking this video. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on future content, and feel free to share your comments or questions below. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming!